So now today we will discuss on introduction to searching. This is the lecture number 2. So what is searching? For your exam purpose, it is very important. So searching is the process of finding a given value position in a list of values. It decides whether a search key is present in the data or not. It is the algorithmic process of finding a particular item in a collection of items. It can be done on internal data structures or on external data structures. Now, searching techniques. So our request to all of the students, if you are giving your exams just like GATE, so this is very important. If there is a theoretical questions, you must write everything whatever we are teaching you. Okay, to search an element in a given array, it can be done in following two ways. Number first is the sequential, or you can say linear search, and second one is the binary search. Now, the sequential search is also called as linear search. Sequential search start at the beginning of the list and checks every element of the list. It is a basic and simple search algorithm. Sequential search compares the elements with all the other elements given in the list. If the elements is matched, it returns the value index, else it returns -1. Now here you can see, okay, how it is searching. If you want to search 25, so your loop, it will be check one by one. Okay, if once you got the value, after then it will be stop. Okay, what is the worst case and what is the best case? Okay, so suppose the data is available first initially. In this condition, your loop will work only one time. If the data present at last, in this condition your loop will work n times. Okay, that is the worst case. Okay, now the above figure already we have discussed. Okay, now second one is the what is the algorithm of this linear search. Okay, and here we will show you one program, so it will clear. So this is the one program. Okay, and for your exam purpose, you must note this is the algorithm. Only 3 lines. Okay, there are only 2 or 3 lines. This is the algorithm for linear search. Rest of the things only to run the program. Okay, so now here at first we have written has include stereo.h. Then after then we declare an array and we put some data. Then after then we have written x is equal to 2. It means that we want to search this 2 in this array. And after then this is a technique to find the size of an array. Okay, so int n, size of a upon size of a0. What is size of a? Means suppose the compiler it is taking 2 byte int. Okay, 2 plus 2 4 plus 2 6 plus 2 8 plus 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 to 12. Okay, 12 upon the size of 2 is equal to 2. Only this size is 2. 12 upon 2 is equal to 6. So n is equal to 6. So now after then we have written this function. Okay, so this loop will work n times, and if you will get the result, then it will return I, otherwise it will return -1. Once you are getting -1 means the element is not present, otherwise the element is present. So this is a very simple problem. Now we will discuss how it is working. So now already we have discussed that this is the algorithm. For your exam purpose, you have to write only the 3 lines. Okay, for I is equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus. If the element present ai is equal to search, then you have to write the position. Otherwise, yeah, once the element has been matched, okay, it has been matched. In this condition you have to write equal to here. Okay, equal to, then it will break. In this condition it will break, okay, otherwise it will search. Now the example is, suppose we are taking the example 10, 20, 50, 5, 2 and 15. Suppose your target is to find this one, okay. So this is A0, this is A1, this is A2, this is A3, this is A4 and this is A5, okay. So at first your loop will work I is equal to 0, because your loop is working from I is equal to 0 to n, okay. So now for I is equal to 0, your A0 is equal to search. It is asking, okay, what is A0? A0 is 10. Why A0 is 10? Because this is A0. The value of A0 is 10, means index 0 is equal to 10. So 10 is equal to 2. No means I plus plus. Now I is equal to 1 because you have written I plus plus, okay, because you have written I plus plus. So in this condition, I is equal to 1, again it will ask A1 is equal to search. What is search? Search is 2. 20 is equal to 2. No means I plus plus. So now again I is equal to 3. I is equal to 2. So I is equal to 2. Again A2 is equal to search. What is A2? A2 is equal to 50. So 50 is equal to 2. No. Again I plus plus. Now again fourth time I is equal to 3. Okay. Whence I is equal to 3. So A3. What is A3? A3 is equal to 5. Okay. 5 is equal to 2. No. 5 is not equal to 2. Means A3 is equal to search value. No means I plus plus. Again I is equal to 4. So A4. What is A4? Means array 4. What is A4? A4 is equal to 2. So 2 is equal to 2. Yes. Break. Then after then break. Again the loop will not work. So once you have got the value, then after then it will show the index, the value present at this index means 4. Now you can say this is the program. If I will run it and see the result. Now you can see here the element is present at index 4. You can see the element is present at index 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Very simple. I think that you understand. Okay, thank you so much.